Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday I tried bungee jump in Goa. So there is one more activity I'm gonna try, that flying board. I think in India this is the first time in Goa they are doing this, guys. I don't think so in anywhere in India they are doing flying board. Most of the people know flying board in Dubai. So for the first time maybe in Goa also they are doing that. So I decided to try this, so I'll try and I'll share you each and everything details like price, location, how to book this, each and everything I'll cover in this video. Watch it. So just now we reached Chapora River. So that flying board activity they'll do in Chapora River. In Kalangat Beach also they'll do, but because today January 1st, no, so completely crowd place. So I thought to do here. So from Baga Beach to here just 30 minutes, guys. And if you book this activity, they'll send you location. No need to worry. I'll send you the details also, their phone number. You can book. You can contact them and you can pay through online or Google Pay. So they'll send one boat to pick us from here to. We have to go one more, big boat. They're only that flying boat activity they'll do. Again, I'm telling you guys, if my guess is correct, this is the first time in India they are doing in Goa. Because flying board is only you can get in Dubai, so that is the reason even I wanna try. So let me try now. See, such a nice view. This lake, I really loved a lot this lake, and this is the first time I'm trying, guys. So for beginners it little bit difficult, because we have to balance our legs on the water, so it's not at all easy thing. So first time if you do, second time 100% you can do, guys, but first time it's really difficult. So I said let me see now. So you can see here the boots, we have to wear that boots, so for that only that water like pressure will be there. I came in the evening. I really loved a lot this climate now. It's really damn good. And again I'm telling you guys, don't get scared at all, because I have seen so many people they are getting scared. No need to worry about that. If you don't know swimming also, again I'm telling you, if you really don't know swimming also, no need to worry, because you'll be floating on the water. So don't worry about swimming and all. If you don't know swimming also, you can do this activity. So let me try. First time I am trying. You can see my legs, the pressure. Oof. Hey, little bit I came up. Let me try now. Again one more round. This time, yes! Woohoo! Now let me try. Wow, done! Yes, thank God, 2 times. Try, yes. Oof! So let me try one more round. Yes! Not bad. This is the best, guys. I'm telling you, it's really difficult first time. Again, I'm telling you, first time it's difficult. See. So second time easily you can do, but first time really difficult. See. So done, guys. Exactly, they'll do 10 minutes only this activity. Such a nice activity. Again, I'm telling you, first time you can't stand properly 100%, I can say. So thank God I did 3 times. So such a nice experience, guys. So if you don't know swimming also, you can do this activity. So again I'm telling you guys, when it comes to price, 2500 rupees including taxes you have to pay. So you can't bargain this activity, because wherever you go they'll charge 2500 rupees per person. So I'll give you contact details in description box. You can contact them, you can book, and you can have fun, guys. Bye bye.